People are shuffle, scatter together like yard pack. Here from the show, that Stevenson, Gerard drop. The young G get him card pop. Him mother turn up at the scene from it, she get a hard knock. She's a boy, I saw the mother ball out when she see her son pandit. Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know. Yeah, man, bless you and greetings. Good morning, my viewers and subscribers. If I see the image of your device, I don't know how long put it in, it's nice. I don't know. So give thanks to life another day. So me answer, give thanks to your rising, man. Yes, man. Today we're there, tomorrow we're gone, you know, so nobody knows. So we have to live up, live clean, live righteous. That's it, my viewers and subscribers. Jay, big up yourself, you know. I don't know. Bamara, big up yourself. Sorry, cousin yesterday. And school days, Scotland pen days. That's it. Big up yourself, Jay. Yes, so Jay said, nah, see no post from me, so I don't know. If you not click the bell, you won't be alerted, so make sure you click the bell. Big up all my subscribers there. Yes, my viewers and subscribers coming up in this episode, I don't know. There's a reason about Jamaica and the new passport we are coming right now with the chip. Yeah, my sister told me about it. My niece, and I actually saw it yesterday on Andrew Holness page. So when I say good luck still, I would like you guys to share your opinion in the comment section. I don't know. The start look rough for me, I don't know. Is it? Just jump up and I got the ear shot and out. Get me a salt out a long time, you know, salt out, you know. From a couple locks. I saw it stay, you see me, but yeah, a special occasion. I forward up, so all I hear style, you know. You see me? That's it, I don't want to keep it on the back of the field. Your ear not determine who you are, your heart. See it? Some of you are subscribers, but also a freestyle DJ told me song them from the Buster Rhymes with it. Lay down in me bed, I will mess full of comfort. Me meditation got disturbed by a gunshot. Peep through my window, me see a youth lie down flat. Blood a leak out of him head like gravy from the lunchbox. They won't board, they see and just full of vibe, you see me? So, I couldn't say what I go on now, I hear what I go on. Then so, you don't know. Forward back.
Welcome to Livefoot TV at the right place, and let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Yeah, man, we go on the yourself. So, anyway, before we go on further, don't forget to like and share the content. You know, keep it real on the battlefield over here. So, you see, when I say Star Boy Task, big up yourself. Tune the young fully bad, but you don't know what they are, big up yourself. Real Askel, my brother, happy birthday, brother. More life and blessings. Stay flexi, big up. So anyway, here we Andrew Holness and his compatriots are saying about the passport. What you go on, man? Is it so? Really and truly, the passport with the chip is a good system. It's a way forward. No people are saying the mark of the beast and them things there. But we are living in 2023 right now. It's either we up with it, work with it, or we stay left behind, you see me? It's just like the elders them. We know about computer and the new generation them, we have to evolve. You see me, just like the musician, you have to evolve and learn how to be your own engineer and your own videographer. Computer, technology, you see me? You have to evolve with it. Keep up, you see me? Yeah, so the passport is a good look. It's just like the British passport. I'm a UK passport holder. Dual citizenship, and you know, moving around with the passport, them now have the checkpoints where you don't have to go. You don't have to go to like the customs. You see me, you just got the desk and just scan your passport and do what you go through. You see me? Easy access, especially when you're coming back to the country you reside in. It's easy for you. You see the citizens, they just go with the passport and scan the thing and go through Ghana your yard. You see me? The visitors them know we have to join line and them thing there. You get me? So it also help reduce the risk of your identity being stolen, theft, and fake passport open up in your name. We know them things that go on a long time, not just Jamaica, England all about. You see me? Man used to get fake passport, fake red book in the people's name and them things. Them things they cut out now because of the modern technology, and it help diffuse fraud and scam and them things, you see me? So it's a good look for Jamaica. Let me know what you guys think. I think it's a good look, and I like to see that. That means I have to go renew my passport and I go back I'm forward in a yard. I remember think my passport expire out. I forgot get the cheap one, you see me? Do my fingerprint and you know. Also, if you are the first I go get to take out a passport, you will find out because you have to do fingerprint with the chip. You have to do fingerprint and it may be eye scanning thing, you know what I mean? So we're not gonna take out the passport now, them can say, okay, there's a passport already in your name. Which you never know, say passport take out in your name. So if you cut out all of them things, you see me? You know enough people were there. And people take out passport and dead people name, you know what I mean? The same date of birth and them things. So it's a good look. It's a good look. Sometimes we can't have one way of thinking, you know what I mean? It's a good look. And that's just my opinion. And I have to say well done to the Prime Minister for that move. You know, the passport with the chip is a good move. You know what I mean? Yeah man, I don't know a lion foot. Big up myself. Oh yeah, and then, you know what too? I want to send a message out to the Prime Minister. He must now going to some meeting right now with the different countries that give Jamaicans a hard time for acquiring a visa. You see me? Yeah, Jamaicans have it hard to get a visa. Even if you come to America, England, Canada, what if stress? I know Jamaica is highly targeted and bad blessings. Even though some of us Jamaicans make it bad for ourselves and for others. You see, my viewers and subscribers. So I feel like Andrew Holness will go up on a debate there now. I make visa easy to attain. You know what I mean, by individuals in Jamaica who are fit to get it, because enough people in them good job, have them money, them assets, you know what I mean, and denied visa, and people who don't forget it, who not serve the purpose or benefit, get it. So once they meet all the requirements, them to get granted the visa, man, whether them 10 or 5 year visiting or what. Is it? That's just my opinion. Again, Andrew Holness, that's your next task. I would love to see Jamaicans make it easier for Jamaicans to get visa to wherever country they want to go and visit. Is it? Yes, my viewers and subscribers. Let me know what you think. Say, watch a bad freestyle now. Let me know what you think about a freestyler.
Yo, the mother Amal said them kill her one son. The granny said she a go be a who kill her grandson. When the poopa the him the prison locked down. Police catch him red handed with a shotgun. Aye, some people say him was an innocent youth. Some people say him did a hide and shoot. Me no know who a tell liar the truth. And me know the mother a go buy a funeral suit.
Thanks for watching Lionfoot TV.